Let me show you how we can power off Motorola Edge 70 Fusion without the screen lock password. So if you cannot turn the phone off and the phone asks you to enter the screen lock password to shut it down, then what you can do is you can perform force restart and then go to the bootloader. So in order to perform force restart, you have to press and hold the power button. And we're gonna do that in a second, but once you do that, once the screen shuts down, you want to press and hold volume down button. So I'm gonna press and hold power now, and I'm gonna also keep tapping on the screen so that it doesn't, so that the phone doesn't put it to sleep, so I can see when it shuts down. So there we go. Now press and hold volume down. Usually it takes like 10 seconds to force restart. Now we are in this bootloader. So we can use volume button, either volume button that is, until you see the power off option, and then choose power button to confirm, and the phone is going to be off now. Of course, when you turn the phone back on the next time, you will just go back to the normal mode, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.